for an easy but fun and artistic way to cartoon yourself for free, then you are in the right place. PicsArt is an editing software that has a bunch of one-touch cartoonifying effects that make it super easy to turn your photo into a cartoon. You don't need to be a trained artist to turn picture into cartoons. And no, you also don't need a fancy cartoon picture maker either. To create a cartoon photo, you just need to use the free tools of the application PicsArt and this tutorial. Give me your attention and be ready for the amazing result. Let's go start! what do you think about this result? Can't wait to see your feedback just down below. As usual, you can find links of application used in the description. Bear in mind that all tools used in this tutorial are totally for free. Thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoy it. If you want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Goodbye.